Good afternoon, everyone. I Kunal Sudhiri and my teammates presenting you the PPT on electrical or electronic tools. Content are as follow. Contents. Introduction. Electrical tools. First, hot glue gun. Second, soldering iron. Third, wire stripper. Fourth, screwdriver kit. Fifth, push button switch. Sixth, jumper wire. Seventh, sensor. Eighth, breadboard. Ninth, tweezer. 10th, register. Introduction. Electrical tool must have with the electrician, technician or electrical engineer. We show you electrical tool with name, picture and use. There are a number of electrical tool and equipment available in the market. All these tools to buy is very costly to make any electrical projects. In this presentation, we will learn the best electrical tool that must have with the electrician, technician or electrical engineer. Electrical tools. First, hot glue gun. Glue gun is used for stick any surface fast and without any difficulty. It can stick the circuit with any surface like wooden or acrylic surface. Hot glue gun melts the plastic stick and that melt material when dry it will stick that parts together. Second, soldering iron. It is used for the soldering the circuit or solder the circuit joints. To make any electronic project, you have to require the soldering skill. Third, wire stripper. To make any project or electrical work, you have to strip the wire cable many times. We use the self-adjusting stripper for my project. It will help me to do fast work. Now we'll see very familiar tool to all of us, screwdriver kit. It will be used for opening and fitting of any electrical product or machine. Use the 30 different shape of the tip so it can open any screw. This screwdriver handle is magnetic. That's why it very precise work you can do. Fifth, Fifth, push button switch. A push button switch is a type of a switch which consists of a simple electrical mechanism or air switch mechanism to turn something on or off. The button itself is usually constructed of a strong durable material such as metal or plastic. Sixth, jumper wire. A jumper wire is an electrical wire or group of them in a cable with a connector or pin at each end which is normally used to interconnect the component of a breadboard or other prototype or test circuit internally or with other equipment or component without soldering. Seventh, sensor. A sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. The specific input could be light, heat, motion, moisture, pressure, or any one of the great number of other environmental phenomena. Eighth, breadboard. A breadboard is a construction base for prototyping of electronics. Originally, the word referred to a literally bread board, a polished piece of wood used for sizing bread. Ninth, tweezer. Tweezer are small tools used for picking up objects too small to be easily handled with the human finger. The tool is mostly derived from tongue, pincer or scissor, like pilers used to grab or hold hot object. 10th, resistor, a device that has electrical resistance and that is used in an electrical circuit for protection, operation or current control. Thank you.